So today we're going to focus on how to use your cell phone. I'm using an iPhone today to photograph and create the blur that you see in a photo. So I talked about this in one of my stories before, so I wanted to make sure I go over this. So right now you see my candle that I'm going to be photographing. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your, so you're going to start by going to your camera app. And if you have an iPhone, you can see all the different settings at the bottom. And you're going to go to portrait mode here. So the main difference between portrait and regular photo mode is it kind of helps you with distancing. As you can see, if I was to take the picture right now, it's super far away. But as I get closer, it will either tell me to move farther away or get closer. So I set up my camera and I have my product lined up. So you can kind of tell that the back is very blurry. So it's hard because you're taking a photo, well, you're taking a video of a camera on a phone. But if I move this closer, you still have, you get that notification that says move farther away, but you still have the blurriness. But if I move this really far away, you can still get blurriness, but you won't see it as close up in the photo. And as you change your different lighting, it can also change the subject. And if you get out of portrait and just use regular photo, that's what it's going to look like. But if you switch back to portrait and you just change your lighting, it will get you that blur in the background. So if I take some pictures, I'm going to move it closer so you can actually see it. And there's not much front lighting, but if I take the picture and kind of change what it looks like, you'll be able to see the differences.